This guide outlines a practical, no-nonsense approach to chess improvement, emphasizing focused effort over shortcuts. It is structured around 6 core principles. First, stop blundering and master endings. The foundational step is to eliminate simple mistakes. Before every move, you must perform a blunder check, asking if any of your pieces are undefended or under attack. This single habit prevents you from giving away material for free. Concurrently, you must learn to convert a winning advantage by mastering basic checkmates, specifically king and queen versus king, and king and rook versus king. Practicing these until they are effortless ensures you won't throw away earned victories. Second, prioritize tactics. Tactics. Since chess is 99% tactics, your primary training method should be solving puzzles daily. This sharpens your ability to spot short-term sequences that lead to a material gain or checkmate. Focus on recognizing key patterns. The fork, one piece attacking multiple enemy pieces. The pin, a piece is immobilized because moving it would expose a more valuable piece. The skewer, an attack on a valuable piece forces it to move, exposing a less valuable piece behind it. And the discovered attack, moving one piece unleashes an attack from another piece behind it. Consistency is key. 15 focused minutes of daily practice is more beneficial than a long session once a week. Third, learn openings the smart way. Instead of memorizing long, complex opening lines, focus on understanding fundamental opening principles. For every game, you should aim to 1. Control the center. 2. Develop your minor pieces, knights and bishops. 3. Castle your king to safety. And 4. Connect your rooks. It's more effective to select a small, manageable repertoire, one opening for white, and one defense each against 1.e4 and 1.d4 as black, and learn the primary goals and typical plans associated with them. Fourth, understand basic strategy. While tactics are the immediate battles, strategy is the overarching war plan. It involves long-term thinking and positioning your pieces on their optimal squares to create future tactical opportunities. Focus on 3 core strategic concepts: pawn structure, which forms the skeleton of your position; piece activity, ensuring your pieces have mobility and influence; and king safety, a crucial element for both your own position and as a potential target in your opponent's. Fifth, analyze your games, especially your losses. Simply playing without reflection leads to stagnation. To truly learn, adopt a 2-step analysis process. First, review your game without a computer, trying to identify your mistakes and critical moments yourself. Afterward, use a chess engine to verify your thoughts. The objective is not just to see the engine's recommended move, but to understand why your move was a mistake and why the engine's suggestion is superior. Finally, play longer games. Fast-paced blitz and bullet chess encourage bad habits and superficial thinking. To genuinely improve, you must play games with longer time controls, for example, 15+10. This provides the necessary time to think deeply, calculate variations, and consciously apply the tactical and strategic principles you've been studying. The goal is to make better decisions, not just faster ones.